Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix if your AirDrop is not working on your iPhone. So I have 3 minutes for you guys in order to fix this, and the second one actually worked for me because I had this issue just a few hours ago and I finally found out how to fix it. So I have 3 minutes for you. The first one is just triple checking that you have both devices on the same network. You can't have cellular mode enabled, you need to be on the same Wi-Fi in order for it to work. So make sure that both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. You can simply click this right here, this control panel thing, and they can make sure that the Wi-Fi name is exactly the same. So make sure to triple check this. Then the second thing what you can try and check if it's still not working is you need to make sure that your files are not too big. If you're trying to AirDrop 20-30 gigabytes of files, then it can take a really long time in order to AirDrop, and sometimes Apple just auto cancels big AirDrops. So in order to check that your file isn't too big, what you want to do on any file you want to AirDrop, you want to simply swipe up and you will get this information right here. And we can see mine is only 11 KB, which means it's really small, which means that if I want to AirDrop this, it will be done within seconds. So yeah, make sure to triple check it that you don't have too big of a file. Then the third one, what you want to do is really obvious, but just simply go into settings, and this actually worked for me because I had this issue, like I said, a few hours before, and this actually worked for me. Simply going into general and simply clicking on shut down your phone and slide to power off. This will restart your phone and this will fix 99% of all your issues you have with your iPhone, but a lot of people actually forget this, so that's why I did want to mention it, and this actually also worked for me. Just simply restarting my phone. Sometimes Apple is just really weird and it will only let it allow you to do certain things once you restart your phone. It's like it needs some kind of a hard or just a quick reset. So yeah, that's how you can do it. Simply restarting your phone, and then you can hold this power button, of course, to start it up again. So yeah, that are the 3 minutes for you, and this should fix it for you. At least it did for me. So if you learned something from this video and it worked for you, then I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.